Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel where we make managing your finances fun and straightforward. Today, we're diving into how to edit a transaction in Goodbudget, a super handy feature for keeping your budget on track. Whether you mistyped an amount or need to update a category, Goodbudget makes it quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First off, if you're new to Goodbudget, it's a fantastic app that helps you envelope budget your money, just like using cash envelopes in the real world. To start editing a transaction, open the Goodbudget app on your phone or log in via the web version. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Step 1. Tap or click on the Transactions tab. This is usually front and center, so you won't have to hunt around. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. Step 2. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific transaction you want to edit. Goodbudget's search is pretty intuitive, so type in keywords like the date or merchant name to speed things up. Step 3. Once you've located the transaction, tap on it to open the Details view. You'll see all the info like the amount, category, date, and any notes you added. Step 4. Now, hit the Edit button. It's often an icon that looks like a pencil. From here, you can change whatever needs updating. For example, adjust the amount if you realized it was off, switch the category to something more accurate, or correct the date. Step 5. After making your changes, double-check everything to avoid any mistakes that could throw off your budget. Then, tap Save or Update. Voila! Your transaction is now edited and your budget is back in sync. One quick tip. Regularly reviewing and editing transactions helps you stay accurate and avoid overspending in your envelopes. If you're just starting with Goodbudget, it's a game changer for financial peace of mind. Thanks for watching, folks. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. See you in the next video.